what you have on your nose. What you have. You want to see what the ball does? Look. Look, there you go. Come on. Come on. You go, look. Come on. Come on. Are you sleepy? Is it your nap? Come here.
Yeah, we woke him up from a nap. Here. He's not as interested because he said, hey, you just woke me up.
Oh, look at the ears. Look, see the ear coming up?
Yeah, he's starting. He's starting to lift his little ears. They'll all be up within about 2 months, 2.5 months. They'll start lifting. By 3 months, they're for sure up. They all do it at a little different rate, though. And he's going to explore. Let's see what else I can find.
Come on. You know. Yes, you're a little bit more laid back than the others right now. There you go. See, I hear something here. There you go. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go.
Oh, we found our ball. You kind of just give it a toss towards them. Oh, he says, I think maybe this is what I want. I think maybe I'm just going to keep this. It's got other puppies' puppy breath on it, but I don't care. It's going to be mine. Yes, I decided. Mine, mine, all mine. And you can't have it. Now that I've happily got my ball.
Look at the ears.
Just starting.
Trying to get those ears up.
It takes a while for the cartilage to get formed, but it happens.
I'm going to sharpen these puppy teeth for you. Yeah. Too cute.
See what he does on the toy and the rope, if he'll leave that for the other toy. But again, make sure it drags on the ground. And you move it real slow. No, he's got the other one. See if you'll leave the interest. You have to drag it more on the ground so that it's loose. It absolutely is on the ground.
This tiny ball now, so.
So take his other ball away, maybe. Since he seems to be terribly interested in that.
See where the ball go? Come on, puppy. Come on. 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 Come on.
Oh, 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 I found it. It's mine. It's going to be mine. Yes, it is. Oh, maybe I found my foot, too. That's pretty interesting, too. Oh, he's going for it. He says, this is mine. It's going to be mine. They like to take it by the cord because it's a little bigger for their mouths. In about another week, they'll be taking that ball. Right now, we're just introducing it. Yeah, like, I'm going to murder this. This is mine. It's a prey thing, and it's mine. Oh, and I've got it, and I'm keeping it, and I'm turning my back on everybody. The heck with you guys. Okay, we're turning off this video. It's a